Hare Krishna. On the first day, Maharaj made a statement about Prabhupada that Sri Prabhupada had implicit faith that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and that Krishna's name is not different from Krishna. These two statements Maharaj made, and this is the basis of Krishna consciousness. So I came across an incident which I want to share with you, which in which we find that Srila Prabhupada's pure and unconditional love and his unflinching faith in the holy name shines like a sun. And when we hear this, it will also illuminate our hearts with that love and faith. The incident is Srila Prabhupada's first disciple, Acharya Prabhakar Mishra, was a respectable Sanskrit scholar and teacher who also held a MA and PhD degree. In an interview for Srila Prabhupada's Lilamrit in the 1970s conducted by Bhaushri Prabhu, Acharya stated about an incident of 1954 when he was with Srila Prabhupada on the occasion of Sri Krishna Janmashtami in Jhansi. Please hear carefully. He related that he woke up at 1 a.m. and heard Srila Prabhupada ecstatically playing mridang in the temple room upstairs. When he went upstairs, he saw Srila Prabhupada dancing around the temple room, performing kirtan. Prabhupada was wearing a kadamba flower garland that was long down to his feet. Kadamba flowers were very rare in Jhansi, and when they were available, they are usually in the shape of a golf ball. But the one Prabhupada was wearing was the size of tennis ball. The entire room was surcharged with the sweet fragrance of heavenly planets. Acharya Prabhakar asked Sri Prabhupada, where did this garland came from? It is not available in the market. But Srila Prabhupada would not answer. He just kept on performing kirtan, chanting, and dancing around the room. The next morning, Acharya Prabhakar asked Srila Prabhupada, where did you get the garland? Why does it have such a rich fragrance, and why are you feeling so blissful? Srila Prabhupada replied, I was chanting for the pleasure of Krishna and feeling love for him, and he appeared and gave me this garland. I went to touch his feet, and he disappeared. Because of that ecstatic feeling, I was dancing around the temple room. Srila Prabhupada then began crying. Acharya Prabhakar also related that sometimes Srila Prabhupada's mood was to perform kirtan very intensely. He would chant on and on for 3 days at his straight. So these are the pastimes of a pure devotee, and seeing his faith in Krishna and the holy name, we can also actually be inspired to have that faith. And what Prabhupada gave us, he gave us the pure essence and genuine philosophy of Sanatana Dharma, which is Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And we are his part and parcel, and the relationship is Jiva Sarupa Krishna Das. So this is the basic thing which is given. He has given us the process, the genuine process, the chanting of the holy name, which is the Yug Dharma for Kali Yuga. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam Kevalam. Kalu Nastem, Naste, Naste Ganita. But when we are chanting, are we have faith that Krishna and his name is not different. We are chanting, but have we faith at that time that Krishna and his name are not different? If we don't have that faith, then our chanting cannot be pure. It is all mechanical. So second thing, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and the process is that we should have faith while chanting that there is no difference between Krishna and his holy name. Unless we have that faith while chanting, the things will not be perfect. And thirdly, it is said in Srimad Bhagavatam that human birth is very rare, but even rare then is the association of devotees. So Prabhupada gave us this institution of ISKCON where we can associate with his devotees, and he has given us that platform where he has created and developed the association of devotees, which is very rare and which is very essential for progress in spiritual life. Without association of devotees, we cannot progress in spiritual life. So all these things, three important things Prabhupada has given us. Once Prabhupada asked his disciples, what is the most important thing for going back to Godhead? So everybody has different explanation. Hearing Srimad Bhagavatam daily, that is one of the process. Chanting of the holy name, association of devotees. Prabhupada said no. The most important thing is ichha, desire. We have come in this material world because of a desire, and we will go back to the spiritual world because of desire. So unless we have desire to go back to Godhead, all this process is useless, superfluous. So the most important thing is that our desire, that we have desire to go back to Godhead. We want to worship Krishna, we want to develop love for Krishna. Unless that is there, and it is all superfluous. So desire has to be there. Eagerness has to be there. So on this auspicious day, if we want to show our gratitude to Prabhupada, we have to share what we have received from Prabhupada, and that will be the greatest offering to Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.